Hey guys, welcome to Mike Network Coding. It's Mike here, and this is going to be our 23rd class. And in today's class, we're going to be talking about classes. Okay, I'm just going to open Notepad++. Okay, this should be from previous class, and so I'm just going to clear that up where we're talking about background images using the dirt. Okay, now classes is more like styling your selector or styling your element, but this time we're going to be styling our element according to classes. See, we had several paragraphs, and we wanted to style our paragraph differently. Oh yeah, so today we're going to be talking about how we could do that, but according to the classes. Remember in our previous class where we were talking about using the inline. I know most of you might be thinking, okay, we're going to be using the inline type. Okay, let's just make our sentences. Let's open up our paragraph tabs. I'm going to make three paragraph tags. Just to make sure this is blue. Let's just make another one. Typos. And this is very red. This is, let's give this color. Sorry for the typo. This is going to be yellow color. I'll close the tab. Okay. And I see this, and normally now when I move over to my styles, and I'll give this a color. The first one there is red, blue. So when I move into my color and give this a color of blue, and refresh my browser, you see everything turns blue, but I do not want everything blue. I just need the first paragraph to be blue, and I need the second one to be red. So we are going to talk about how we could style these different paragraph tags using the classes. So I'm gonna move over to my HTML element, and in my open tab, I'm gonna come in here and give first paragraph a class and a value of blue. The second one, and give this a class. Okay, let's just this a class of red. The last paragraph tag, I'm going to give this a class of yellow. Okay, nothing is going to happen for now. If I move over to my browser and refresh, then it's still the same thing. So let's move over to our CSS. So this time I said we're styling our element according to the classes. Now the first paragraph tag we gave it a class of blue. So this time, instead of putting a paragraph at the attribute, the element for the paragraph P, I'm going to put in the class. And to put in the class, the first thing I'm going to start with is going to be a period or full stop. So full stop and the name of our class, and the name of the first class there is blue. So it's going to be dot blue. I'm going to open my curly braces and close. Now the first one, remember I said it's I'm going to give it a color blue. So color blue. Making so many typos today. Okay, let's save this down, move over to our browser and refresh that. Whoa. Now you can see, since we cleared in our paragraph element and style the first class, now only the paragraph or the class of blue turns blue. So let's just do that for the others. The second one has a class of red. So I'm going to come down here and full stop red and give it a color of red. And when I save this and move over to our browser and refresh, and we have a red color for our second paragraph tag. So I'm just going to do this for the last one. The last one has a class of yellow. So the yellow, open up our curly braces and give it a color of yellow. MTN yellow. I'm going to save this now. And when I move over to my browser, and we have a yellow color. So that's how we could style our different element, not just the paragraph tag. You can style anything using say you have a div, and you want to style 2 or 3 divs differently. So you could use in the class to style your divs differently. You have different heading tags, you've got different paragraph tags, you've got different images, you've got different whatever element you have in your HTML element, and you want to style them differently. There you could use in our classes, and you're gonna get the styling you want. Also, let's say maybe build a. You could also maybe you want 2 or 3. Let's just put in 2 other paragraph tags there. Let's see. Hey, where are you going? I'm gonna make another one. Just want to show you guys something briefly. Not coming for your birthday. Why? What did I do? Okay, I'm just gonna save that. Say I wanted these 3 paragraphs to be styled with a yellow color. I could just give this the same class I give the paragraph tag of the yellow color. So I'm just gonna give this class of yellow. Save this. Give this also a class of yellow. And when I save this, move over to our browser and refresh this, see the next 2 paragraph tags has a styling of a yellow color. So that's how we could style different elements differently, and you can also do them the same too, also using the classes. So I think that will be all for classes. And as always, please remember to subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, a like, or share my videos. Please don't forget to give the videos a thumbs up. It's really going to help my channel grow. And I'll see you guys in the next class. Bye.